This video is going to show you how to do a buyer resell. So the scenario here is we've got a buyer number. In this case, we're going to use 33 on 2. For whatever reason, he's got too much weight on there. He wants to sell a little bit off. So we've got this top transaction here. This is actually our resell. So 103 on 10 is the buyer who bought this transaction, which came from 33 on 2. So the first thing you need to do is just grab that transaction information, either write it down. In my case, I'm just going to take a little screenshot of it, grab the scale ticket, whatever you need to do. We're going to go over to utilities, buyer resell. Fill this out, original information. All right, so we got that submitted and there is our resell. So with that, we need to go back over to current sale. Because this is not a normal transaction, we need to get rid of this. So we're just going to right click and delete this transaction. And that's it as far as what you need to do. So now when we go back over here to 33 on 2, you can see there's only 55 head in there. When you create that invoice, now you'll see it's got the buyer resell here. And that's it.